Hi everyone. In this video, I'll be showing you how to download and install Microsoft Teams in Windows 10. So let's get started. So first thing, just Google Microsoft Teams download. You'll be getting the official link from Microsoft.com. Click that, and here you'll be having an option called as download Teams. Click it again and the setup will be getting downloaded within a flash. Open it and you'll be getting an interface saying downloading Microsoft Teams. So just be patient till it gets completed. And that's it, your Microsoft Teams will be opened automatically, and in some cases it will even recognize your Microsoft account. And if you don't want that, you can just use another account. And once you log in, you'll be getting the Microsoft Teams interface like this. And I hope you have found this video useful, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Run a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.